Okay, I just pulled the door hinge, the lower door hinge off the driver's side, and you can see that the bushings here are completely destroyed, and that's why we have all the play in the door. So anyway, now that the hinge is out, I'm going to go ahead and cut this pin, pull it out, put the new pin in with new bushings, and we'll see how that fits. Alright, here's just an example of all the play that is in here because those bushings are bad, and that's why the door is sagging. A lot of play. Let's cut through this with a hacksaw. There we go. And then I'll just take a chisel, something to wedge in here, and just hammer away. There we go. Now you can just see how mangled up this bushing is here. Wow. Okay, just try to hammer this out. There we go. Okay, now I should be able to just pry this old bushing out here. Wow, it is gone. There we are. Wow. And that one's already disintegrated on the other side. How I got the hinge out, but contrary to popular belief, you can remove the hinge without pulling the fender off. And basically what I did is I just supported the door here, and as long as you have a wrench like this is a 13 mm offset box wrench, you can kind of get in behind the hinge here, and then just a fraction of a turn at a time, just get it loose and then pull it out. Then raise the door up a little bit to create a little more space in here to get the hinge out, and then it'll pull right out. And here's the other bushing. It did fall off the ground there, but you can just see they're totally gone. They're just mangled. And here is the door hinge that I bought to replace it. There's the part number, and then there's the kit. Alright, so then I'll just go ahead and take these bushings and tap them in on each side of the hinge. We'll tap the hinge through, make sure that this is the top side here, that you start pounding on through. And then on the bottom side, this is a nylock nut, and we'll fasten that on. And FYI, this is just to prove that the hinge can go in with the door in place and then just supported. So just like that, and then I'll put the nut on from the inside, and then once that's on, I can line the others up and then go ahead and put those in. Okay, one thing to note here, I got ahead of myself. With this kit, it's the pin is longer because it's got a nut on the bottom, which doesn't allow the bottom bolt to go in to the door portion of the hinge. So I'm going to have to unscrew that bolt and then pop the pin up a little bit, put this bolt in, and then put the pin back down.